Hey guys, coming at you with another T-sportline install video. Today we're going to show you how to install your very own metal rocker cover over your plastic Cybertruck rockers. Let's get into it. Looking at what comes with the kit, we have our passenger side kit laid out right here. So we have our passenger side rocker cover, we have our edge strip, adhesive back silicone strip, our hardware, washers, and extra shims that may or may not be needed. The tools we'll need for this kit is only a 5mm Allen key and a friend. Each kit will come as halves, either the driver's half or the passenger side half. Here in front of us we have the passenger side half. The best way to tell the difference between the passenger side and the driver's side rocker cover is going to be by its shape. Grabbing tab 5 and looking down towards tab 1, the shape of the passenger side is going to be a reverse C, whereas the shape of the driver's side is going to be a C. To start with this install, we're going to prep our rocker cover. So first, we're going to take our edge protector, and so this is going to be our top plane. This is the plane that you're going to be stepping on. We're going to essentially take our edge protector and slide it over this top plane. Next, what we'll do is we'll take our adhesive back silicone and install it right on this back half of the rocker, right next to the edge protector, all the way down the full length of the board. With our rocker cover prepped, we can now get inside the truck and raise it up so it's easier to install our product. So looking here at our Cybertruck's infotainment screen, there's two ways we can raise this truck up. We can touch the tire and go to high, or if we want to go a couple inches beyond high, we can go right down here to our controls, dynamics, off-road, and then back to controls, and we now have two other settings, very high and extract. We're going to set ours into extract to get the most amount of ground clearance. With our truck now raised, we can go and install our rocker cover into position. With your friend, you can start by grabbing this small lift section and lift up. It'll kind of slant the rocker cover. We'll make sure that we have our corners on this plastic rocker cover section. A little bit more, there we go. And so now it's barely hanging on by the lip. You can come in the middle, and slide it on forward. And now we can hop up underneath it and get the hardware mounted. Hopping underneath the Cybertruck, we can locate our mounting positions, our mounting holes at our tabs. Notice that you probably need to pull down on the rocker cover like so, almost in the movement of a reverse push-up or an incline pull-up. And you'll be able to start your hardware in, starting at tab 3. Should be able to get it in hand tight. You can start from 3 and then move to tab 2, 4, and then 1 and 5. If you do end up noticing some gapping between the metal tab and your Cybertruck, we have the extra washers in the kit to kind of take up that gap. So if your Cybertruck has a little bit different tolerancing, a little bit different build variation, then our washers will help take up any slack or any slop in this system. And we can go and continue mounting up the rest. So we're going to snug these all down. And with the 5 bolts torqued, you now have your very own metal rocker cover on your passenger side. The same steps can be repeated on the driver's side to complete the install. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.